Welcome to the Harrison Apartment Homes at Newtown Walk. We're going to be walking you through the model property, which is absolutely stunning. There is only 4 of these left and they are going fast. And look at how many there are. As we said, this is the model house, so the bottom floor is a little odd. We'll go into it in more detail because this is where you can customize the aspects of this home. Just know that the bottom floor is where you could either have another bedroom or an office. There is a half bath and a mudroom, but we'll show you that later. Let's go to the main floor. Welcome inside the main floor. Here you have your kitchen, dining area, and your seating area where typically a TV would be there, but again, model home. You have a fireplace with marble accent all around. Big windows on both sides of the townhome, which are absolutely gorgeous. House gets a lot of natural light. And you have your half bath right here. And as we said, here's your dining area with some big windows. Now we are on the 3rd floor. So up here you have 3 bedrooms. Your washer dryer would be here, and you have 2 full baths, one being a master and one being split between the 2 bedrooms here. Bedrooms are pretty small, but typically the clientele moving into these places are just a little bit older, looking to retire and just like simplify their life because it's brand new construction. There's also an elevator, so it makes it a lot easier for all the stairs. You have 3.5 baths and you have 3 bedrooms. Here is the master, which is really big, actually pretty tall ceilings as well in these homes with a large window for lots of natural light. Here is her closet. And then here is his closet and the master bathroom, which is right over here. Let's head up to the final floor. As we said, these are the model homes, so the layout's a little bit different on the top floor and the 1st floor, but I'll have some B-roll and some action shots of what they typically look like for the homes for sale. In here, we just have a little closet area, and then we have an outside roof deck where you can walk out. It's really nice how high up you are. You're walkable to the shopping center. That's right next door. You have the Whole Foods there. Me and Dean, I think, are about to go to Chipotle, which is just like a walk across the street, which is absolutely fantastic. I'll also have on screen a map of exactly where the model house is located and what else is surrounding it. So here's a little board just demonstrating exactly where we are and what's in the surrounding areas within Ellis Preserve of Newtown Square. So we're right here, if you can see that little star. So you're surrounded by the Hilton Garden. Whole Foods is right here, Firepoint Grill, Ulta Beauty, First Watch. So a lot of popular spots you can literally just walk to. You also have Mod Pizza, Chipotle that me and Dean are actually, yeah, we're gonna go to Mod Pizza, Dean, yeah. And then you also have a conference center where a lot of like weddings can be hosted and other things like that. You also have AC hotels here. As we said, we are in the model house, so the layout's a little bit different from the typical house, which I will also show you. So in here we have the mudroom, and you also have your other half bath right over here. Typically this would be a garage, but since this is a model home, we have all of the different options that you can customize your townhome with. From customizing the countertops to the cabinetry, the carpet, the flooring, the trim, the paint, pretty much everything, even the sinks, the nozzles. Let me know what colors you'd go with. Typically, I'm more of a white cabinetry on top of like a darker countertop. Let me know what you go for in the comments below. And if you're familiar with the area, the village, it's really gorgeous. And if you have any questions, let me know. You can reach out. It's not going to be a problem. Also, with this property, you do have a small driveway where you can fit 2 cars. And then in the garage, you can fit 2 small cars. I say 2 small cars because the garage is meant for 2 cars, but it's a little tight. So I would say 1 large car, and then you can have your other cars like on the driveway. Now I'm just gonna take you through a quick tour of what it looks like when one of these units are completely finished on the bottom floor. So like we said, you can either choose an office or another bedroom, and this bedroom would feature a full bath. Here is the closet for that bedroom, and you also have that large window for a lot of natural light. Here's the full bathroom that would be featured on the bottom floor. You have your shower here and lots of space. Also, walking outside of this bedroom, you see the elevator that we were talking about, which is featured in each one of these units. So we have 2,500 square feet, as we said, 3.5 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. It is 4 levels, but there is an elevator for easy convenience to go up to every single level, so you don't have to worry about all the stairs. And on top, you have a roof deck, which is absolutely awesome because you can, have your barbecue out here, your seating, and it's a large amount of area that's pretty walled off. Dean, if you can like show, it's pretty like private. And then over here you have your railing where you can kind of like just see out a really high view of what's going on. So definitely a really cool spot. These houses are going really quick. There's only 4 left, and I don't know if Dean is panning the camera around. There is a lot of these that have already been built up. So if you're interested in having a tour of one of these, just let me know down below. If you have any questions about the area or just any questions at all, just reach out to me. I'd love to meet you.